Hello guys, welcome to our solving equations by factoring notes part 2. We basically get some more practice and bring in more old and more new. Okay. Start off with this one, 3x plus 1 times x plus 2 equal to 0. So we're going to just take each factor. So 3x plus 1 set it equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, and let's solve. So we're going to always move the plus or the negatives first. -1 to both sides. So we got 3x equal to -1. It's multiplying by it, so you got to divide. X equals -1/3. This one, got to subtract 2 to both sides, cancels. X equals -2. There's our two answers. All right, let's do another one. So we got x minus 3 times x minus 1 equal to 0. All right. So basically, you take each factor, right? Set it equal to 0. And then we could just do the opposites to move them. So we got to do +3 to both sides. Cancels there. X equals 3. So when you add 1 to both sides, cancels there. So x equals 1. There's a couple examples. A couple answers, rather. All right. Next one for us. V plus 2 times V plus 1 equal to 0. All right, so just pull them apart. V plus 2 equal to 0. V plus 1 set equal to 0. Let's see, opposite, move it across. So V equals -2. This opposite, move it across. V equals -1. There we go. All right, looking good. You could always pause if you need to. 4p squared plus, sorry about that, minus 4p minus 3 equal to 0. So those kind of things we're doing just last week, right? So first we got to do, split the first term, 4p times p, or 2p times 2p. This is 1, 3 times 1 and 3. So we're looking for what combination of multiplication will subtract to give us a 4 in the middle. So try it out, right? If we did 4p times 1 is 4p, and then p times 3 equals 3p, subtract, because last side's negative, turns into just p, so it don't work. How about 2p times 1 equals 2p, 2p times 3 equals 6p. Subtract those, gives us the 4p, which is what we want. So it's good. Use those and those. Okay. So we know we have 2p and 6p. And we're in group B. And we see that the first sign is negative. Therefore, the bigger product is negative, other one positive. And the corresponding numbers are the same. So what we got down here, 2p, and then the 3, I guess it doesn't matter which one it goes into because the letters are the same. So we got a factor now. Took a few more steps to get there because we had a number greater than 1 as the first piece. All right, I'm going to take this over and sort of restart the factoring part. Remember, we got it to 2p plus 1 times 2p minus 3. Equal to 0. All right, so now I have room. So let's separate out the factors. 2p plus 1 equal to 0. This one's 2p minus 3 equal to 0. So first, you got to subtract on this one, both sides. And 2p equal to -1. And you divide by 2 both sides. So p equals -1/2. All right, so it's the other one. You add 3 to both sides. Cancels there. 2p equals 3. Now you divide 2 both sides. P equals 3/2. There's your two answers. So it took a few more steps because of what we started with, but we got there. All right, next example for us. 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. All right, similar idea, right? So first you split the first term, 4x times x, or 2x times 2x. And this, this is all equal to 0. This is 1 and 1. And so we're looking to, last sign is adding, so looking to which combination adds up to give us 4. Okay. Well, I think 4 and these two might not work so well. That's basically going to be 4 plus 1, just big, right? But this one will be good because we got 2x plus 2x. They're both positive. So 2x plus 2x equals 4x. That's actually not too bad because you had the fact last number is a 1. That's what helped made it a little bit easier for me. 2x, 2x, and they're all 1s. They're all positives. Okay. And I got room over here. Okay. So let's set, oh, sorry, that's a 1 there. All right. So we have 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And we have that twice because you notice they're identical. So technically, we could basically just do it one time. So minus 1 on both sides. Cancels there. 2x equals minus 1. Divide by 2. So x equals minus 1/2. I mean, it's twice, so it's a double root. Well done. All right. That was a little trickier, huh? Okay. Let's try one more. 2n squared minus 5n minus 3 equal to 0. All right, let's see. Step 1, right? Separate the first term, 2n and n. Separate the last term, 1 and 3. We see that the last sign is negative, so we're going to be finding combination subtracts to give us a 5. See, what if we try 2n times 1 gives 2n, n times 3 gives us 3n. Subtract that gives n, so that don't work. But let's try the other way. How about 2n times 3 equals 6n, and n times 1 equals 1n. Subtract that, that gives us 5n, so that's a good combo. All right, so if n times that, so 1n, 2n times 3 gives us 6n. We're in group B. First sign is negative, so that means the bigger one's negative, other one positive. So the 3 in this case is negative, that's one tied to the 6. Other one is positive. So we got 2n, n. The 3 is tied to the 2, so remember it goes way over here. 1 goes here. That's positive, that's negative. And now, don't forget this all is still set equal to 0. I think I have room. So I'll take 2n plus 1 set equal to 0, and minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So minus 1 to both sides, cancel there. Got 2n equal to minus 1. Divide by 2, both sides. So sorry about it's getting a little messy, but that goes away. It goes n equal to minus 1/2 for that one. And this other one, this is doing purple. So we're going to take this one over to this side. We're going to add 3 to both sides. So it cancels there. So n equals 3. There's our 2 answers. All right. Well done, all. I think you guys will do great. Let me know if you have any questions.